Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, my hair is a completely different color. So I got my hair dyed the week after Christmas, so like a couple weeks ago, and y'all, my hair is already starting to grow out. But I am going to attempt to do a braided ponytail, so we'll see how this goes. Last night I just went ahead and parted my hair down the middle. Obviously I'm gonna have to fix my part and just put it back in a bun, so I kind of already did most of the work. But I'm gonna take this, I don't even know how many inches this is. I think it's like half an inch maybe. Flat iron and just flatten my edges some more, and then I have the braiding hair. So this is the braiding hair that I'm gonna use. It's actually kind of a little bit lighter than my hair, but we're gonna make it work. And I got 3 packs. I don't intend on using all 3, but just in case I mess up. So I have my braiding hair. I got my scrunchies on my arm. I have my rat tail comb, my wide tooth comb, my hard bristle brush, and I'm gonna be using the Got2b freeze spray to, you know, mold my hair down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Actually, I'm gonna comb through my hair again. Once I get my hair fully detangled and my edges straightened out again, I take my bristle brush and I just smooth my hair down, and then I'm going to put it in a nice little ponytail, and then I'm going to spray some freeze spray on it, smooth it down with my hands, spray more freeze spray, and then I'm going to spray the freeze spray directly on my bristle brush and then smooth my hair down some more, and just keep repeating that process until it's as smooth and sleek as I like. And then I'm going to redo my ponytail to make it tighter. So I decided I will go ahead and just do the braid while I wait for my hair to set. This is just 1 pack of the hair, and what I did was I just put it up to my ponytail, just to see like how full it is. And I definitely am going to use 2 packs of the braiding hair to do it. So it'll be like a full braid, because my hair is not thin at all, so even when it's straightened, it's not thin. So I want the braid to be as full as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other pack. Okay, so this is what 2 packs looks like together. I'll just mesh it together. All right. And then also, like, I need the braid to be full, but then I need to have enough hair to wrap around where the scrunchie is. So I guess I should show y'all what I'm doing. So I just have the hair folded in my hand. I'm taking my scrunchie and putting it underneath the fold. And then I'm just laying the hair in between the two sides of the scrunchie, and I'm just gonna take one end. Y'all, I swear I know what I'm doing. I'm taking this end and pulling it. I legit just dropped all the hair. I had one drop, y'all. It's crazy because I had it. I'm gonna take out, I think, I'm gonna take out this much to wrap around. Alright, just hang that there. And then after I separate the piece that's gonna go around the base of my ponytail, I'm gonna split the rest of the hair into 3 sections, and I'm gonna get ready to braid. My goal was to try to make all 3 sections as even as possible. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna cut this off obviously, and then I'm gonna go get some scissors and cut all the flyaways off. But this is what my braid looks like, and it's going to, let me see, it's gonna stop like right above my butt, so that's good. All right, I'll come back when my hair finished setting and I finish cutting the flyaways off of this, and we'll finish this up, and then I'll come back when I come to put it on. Hey guys, so it's actually been 2 days since I originally started this video, but the other day was a fail. So I was really just gonna give up on it, like, because the ponytail was for my birthday, which is when I originally started this video, but it didn't work out. So I was really satisfied with just my little bun that I had in the back, and I was just gonna leave it at that. But I decided today, well, one, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair for this week, and so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store. I'm gonna go to a different one, see if I can find some braiding hair that matches my hair better. And I'm thinking, because since the ends of my hair are a little bit darker than the roots, if I can find something that is a little bit closer to my ends, I'll be okay. So I don't really want like a burgundy-ish color, but something along those lines, I'll be okay with that. So I'm gonna try the ponytail again today. And yesterday I watched some more tutorials of like how to do the braided ponytail, which the other day when I tried it, I had watched maybe like one video. I had a general idea of how it's supposed to work, and the way I was trying to do it wasn't gonna work. So I'm gonna try again today. So I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store, see if I can find some hair, and then I'll come back and we're gonna try this again. And then we'll see if this ponytail will last me the whole week, because it's actually like time for me to wash my hair. So I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna go to the store, and then I'll be back when I come back home. When I got back from the store, I had to redo my whole like bun and free spray routine, so that's what I did, and then I just did the ponytail. As I explained when I was in the car, went to a different beauty supply store, and I picked these two. So this is the Xpressions Premium Braid in 130S, which is like almost perfect. And then I'm gonna mix it with this Q Jumbo Braid in red. Cause this is, I can't remember, I think this one is like a little bit lighter. Like it's almost perfect, but just a little bit too light. So I'm gonna mix both of them. That's done. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and flip it over my head like this and just tie it around. Okay, tie it around my ponytail. Then I'm gonna take a piece out, and this is going to wrap around the ponytail holder. After I finish wrapping that piece of hair and making sure it's secure, I just split the rest of the hair into 3 pieces and made sure my hair was mixed in with the braiding hair, and then I just braid as normal. Okay, this is what it's given. I'm gonna fix this part. I wish I had a bigger mirror. Y'all, 30 minutes later, and we made it. I really need a mirror so I can see what the back looks like. We're just gonna use my computer. This is the only thing I have in front of me. Alright, y'all. It's a little rough, like right where the braid started, but I'm not taking this braid out and redoing it. So it's gonna give what it's giving for now. Okay. Well, y'all, so this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute. I like it. See, I wish I could have did this the other day. Okay, y'all. It's done, finally. Thank you for sticking with me through this struggle, because it was a struggle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, update. I know I ended the video, but I want to go take thumbnail pictures, and I took a picture of the back of my head so I could see what it looked like. And y'all could probably see it when I was doing like my 360 view, but I didn't tuck one piece of my hair underneath the braided hair, so in the braid it was on top. So I was scared that like throughout the week that piece of hair would pop out of the braid, even though I braided it pretty tight. So I came back to take the braid out and tried to tuck my hair, but it wasn't working. So then I tried the bun method, which I had tried on Friday, but I couldn't get my buns small enough. So I went to my sister, and my original plan was just to get her to make the bun smaller, because I had did the bun and then redid the braid, and I wasn't trying to take the braid out again because that would have been like the 4th time. But I had to take the braid out, and I just got my sister to tuck my hair in better. So essentially she redid my braid for me all the way, and I feel a lot better now, and I feel like it's gonna last hopefully till Friday, and then I'll have to wash my hair. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and give y'all that update. Now I'm really ending this video. Thank you for kicking it with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.